Tesla Europe builds momentum with expanding FSD demos. Tesla has been notably active across Europe in recent weeks, expanding its full self-driving supervised ride-along program, entering a new market, and showcasing its newest vehicles across multiple regions. Needless to say, it appears that Tesla is putting in some serious effort into boosting sales in Europe this year. Tesla Europe recently announced the expansion of its FSD supervised ride-along experiences, inviting the public to experience the system on local roads. Initially available in Italy, France, and Germany when it launched, the program has now expanded to Hungary, Finland, and Spain. The ride-along program allows participants to ride in the passenger seat and observe how FSD Supervised handles real-world traffic scenarios, including dense urban driving and other challenging conditions. Tesla has positioned the initiative as a way to familiarize European drivers and regulators with the system's capabilities in everyday use. The program has received positive reviews so far, with many being impressed by FSD's real-world capabilities. Tesla also recently launched operations in Slovakia with a pop-up store and multi-day public event in Bratislava, as noted in an EV Wire report. The launch, held from January 16 to 18 at the Eurovea Mall Promenade, featured test drives, vehicle displays, including the Cybertruck, as well as family-focused attractions such as a mini Tesla racetrack. Local observers noted that Tesla Optimus was also shown at the event, while the Tesla Owners Slovakia Club welcomed the brand with a coordinated light show near the Slovak National Theatre. Tesla Europe later shared its appreciation for Slovakia in a post on its official social media account on X, stating, "Thanks Slovakia for the amazing last 3 days for giving us such a warm welcome." Tesla's Slovakia entry follows a familiar pattern used by the company in other European markets. Tesla opened a pop-up store in Bratislava as an initial step, with plans for a permanent showroom and a potential service center at a renovated site previously occupied by a Jeep and Dodge dealership. Tesla has used a similar approach in markets such as Czechia and Lithuania, where permanent facilities followed within a few months of pop-up launches. Slovakia already has 6 supercharging sites totaling 46 superchargers, including 2 locations in Bratislava, providing early infrastructure support for Tesla owners. Tesla staff program manager Supertek Saha described the Slovakia launch as a strategic expansion in the heart of the EU, citing the country's strong automotive manufacturing base and appetite for advanced technology. Beyond the EU, the company also marked another milestone with the first Cybertruck deliveries in the United Arab Emirates, signaling continued geographic expansion for Tesla's newest vehicle. Just like Tesla Slovakia, the Cybertruck also received a warm welcome from the UAE's EV community. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.